What's up guys, JT here, and today we're looking at another watch review. Today we're looking at the Hugo Men's Quartz watch 1530-287. You can get this off Amazon. So you have a look for it on there. It instantly stands out if you're one of those people that likes blue. Before we actually get onto that, let's have a look at the box. So the box sits at a fairly sort of square shape with a simple folding over lid fashion. Not quite sure why that Hugo Boss box is red. The watch is very blue in theme, so yeah, simple red folding over box system with a fairly sort of lightweight to it, including the watch inside. So quite just a simple functional box for the price. Simple folding over lid system, but you can see the seams here slightly on this box. Inside you've got a simple black cushion to support the actual main event, which is the watch itself, and then inside you've obviously got manuals and your hygiene chemicals inside. Overall, a simple folding over lid system with that box. So let's take this out and have a look at the main watch itself. Here we go. The price of this watch sits at around about £140. The box doesn't quite reflect the price of the watch, unfortunately. Weight of the watch sits at 126 grams. Looking at the face, we've obviously got three luminous hands here. A seconds hand that moves in like an automatic function sort of way. Our hands that are both silver and blue theme, both luminous to match this blue and white theme that goes around the bezel. And the back of the actual face itself has got that sort of carbon coal-like look to it, as you can see here. We've also got three chronograph functions. They're all operated by a single dial movement. No buttons needed to adjust these because you have a day tracker in the corner here. Let's see if we can get the light to reflect that a little bit better. You've got a day tracker in the corner there on the left. You've also got a day and night tracker, so it tells you when it's nighttime, when it's daytime, in the middle there, in the middle at the bottom. And you've also got an analog date function. Usually you have a date window, but it's quite rare that you see a watch have an analog clock face function to show the date. Most watches would have, say, a cyclops eye or a plain actual date dial in the middle here on the right or left. And this one actually has a clock function to it, so it's really nice. 4 luminous increments going around, double increments, double dashes at each of the 3 hour marks here. Glass type, mineral glass, with a case material of a brushed stainless steel by the looks of things, as you can see here. That bezel as well. So the bezel itself is a non-rotational bezel. It's fixed in place with a silver sort of ring as well to keep that in place there. But it's a fixed bezel, just to go with the overall style of the watch. You wouldn't want to be changing the bezel here or moving it around. I'll give it a shake test. Yeah, all components seem nicely fixed in place in there. I had to stop this from rattling around so that we had to see what it was like in terms of sound when you shake it. So, the actual case, the case thickness sits at around about 12mm, and the case diameter 44mm across. So it's it's a little bit bigger than, say, a GMT or a Rolex Submariner. Overall, it's a very nice sort of blue theme watch, and they all complement nicely, all the colours. Looking inside the face, we've got a non-mirror theme. It seems like we've got like a plastic theme going around the inside of here. Varying numbers of little plastic plates with little dashes on them. quite a strange little feature, that one. Arriving at the crown, we've got a matte finish, stainless steel lined finish Hugo Boss crown with that Hugo Boss printed on there. Not going to adjust the time and crowns, but the crown has got decent movement to it, not too flimsy when you turn around the fingers and the hands. So overall, it's a nice little watch for the price. Looking at the strap connections, the actual connections and the back of it is full stainless steel, waterproof, resistance to 50 meters. We've also got popper pins to adjust this mesh ladies style bracelet. Band width sits at 22 millimeters. Yeah, this is not often seen, this sort of bracelet. Yeah, it's got a simple stainless steel finished mirror effect mesh bracelet that ends with a sliding clasp here. As you can see, this will slide along the bracelet based on what size you would like. Clasp itself is a matte stainless steel mirror, lined effect on it to match all the other effects on the watch. Overall, I really like this watch for its continuity, so it keeps everything the same. It doesn't have, like say, mirror finish stuff, stainless steel lined finish stuff, matte black, etc. Different sort of colours and schemes of how you finish those schemes everywhere. It just keeps the same schemes. So you've got navy blue, all the navy blue is the same sort of finish. You've even got a lined matte finish to the bezel as well. So let's have a look at it on. I wonder if this will fit me. That doesn't appear that it will fit me there. So there we go, guys. That is the Hugo Boss quartz watch 1530287. Let's remove this little bit of plastic here, see if I can. I'll try and remove that in another video.